Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4, a next-generation compact camera that's rumored to deliver massive upgrades in nearly every area. If you're a vlogger, travel enthusiast, or content creator looking for an ultra-portable camera with pro-level features, this could be one of the most exciting releases of the year. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 already made waves with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, incredible stabilization, and rotatable display. But now, whispers and leaks surrounding the Pocket 4 suggest we're in for some impressive innovation across the board, ranging from a spec boost and better video performance to enhanced software and smart features. Let's start with the fundamentals. The Pocket 3 introduced a game-changing 1-inch sensor, a significant jump from its predecessors, allowing better low-light performance, natural background blur, and more vibrant image clarity. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to retain this sensor size, but with a rumored upgrade to its internal processor. That's a game-changer. A more powerful chip means faster processing, improved dynamic range, and potentially next-level computational photography. Think richer HDR output, better real-time color grading, and enhanced image sharpness. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is 10-bit color depth across both D-Log-M and HDR video profiles. Compared to the 8-bit color limitation of the Pocket 3, 10-bit color offers smoother gradients, reduced banding, and dramatically more flexibility for creators who love to color grade in post-production. Video quality is set to get a serious overhaul. While the Pocket 3 already shoots 4K at 60 FPS and Full HD up to 240 FPS, the DJI Pocket 4 could introduce 4K at 120 FPS, unlocking buttery, smooth, slow-motion footage without sacrificing resolution. This potential leap in frame rate, combined with better dynamic range and 10-bit color, positions the Pocket 4 as a true cinematic powerhouse that fits in your pocket. Additionally, there's talk of improved video bit rates that exceed the Pocket 3's current 130 mIPs cap. That means more detailed footage with less compression. Great news for creators shooting high-action scenes or fine textures. For anyone producing YouTube videos, short-form vertical content, or cinematic travel montages, these improvements could completely redefine your production quality. Stabilization is another area where DJI is rumored to level up. The Pocket 3 already shines with its 3-axis gimbal system, but many users have noted that vertical, or Z-axis, stabilization, especially during walking, still leaves room for improvement. The Pocket 4 may incorporate smarter software algorithms or enhanced mechanical stabilization to solve this, delivering smoother footage even when you're moving dynamically. Plus, there's speculation that DJI will fine-tune gimbal responsiveness and movement transitions for more cinematic pans, tilts, and tracking shots, making the device feel even more professional despite its tiny form. On the autofocus front, the DJI Pocket 4 might introduce phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking technology. That's a massive upgrade from the already capable contrast-based autofocus in the Pocket 3. With PDAF and eye tracking, creators, especially those who shoot solo, can stay sharp even while moving around the frame. Imagine walking and talking to the camera, and the focus locks perfectly on your face the whole time. Coupled with enhanced subject tracking powered by AI, the Pocket 4 could bring next-level intelligent framing, especially in modes like active track, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse. Another big area of refinement? Audio. The Pocket 3 surprised users with solid directional audio using its 3 built-in microphones. But the Pocket 4 might raise the bar with improved wind noise reduction, spatial audio, or even features like audio zoom. These upgrades would make voiceovers clearer and ambient recordings more immersive, ideal for travel creators, interviewers, and vloggers. The screen may also get a minor but important polish. While the 2-inch rotatable display on the Pocket 3 is already bright and colorful at 700 nits, the Pocket 4 could improve responsiveness, brightness, and maybe even grow in size. A high brightness mode for direct sunlight visibility would be especially handy for outdoor shooters. In terms of design, don't expect a complete overhaul, but some subtle ergonomic enhancements may arrive. The dimensions and weight will likely stay close to the Pocket 3's ultra-compact form factor, but usability improvements are expected. One frequently requested addition is a built-in 1/4-inch screw mount, which would eliminate the need for extra accessories when mounting on tripods, or grips. Even more exciting is the possibility of basic weather resistance, finally offering splash or dust protection. That would make it a far more reliable choice for creators who shoot outdoors, whether it's at the beach, on a mountain trail, or during unpredictable weather conditions. Battery life on the Pocket 3 was already strong, up to 166 minutes in 1080p, mode with screen and Wi-Fi off, but DJI might extend that even further with the Pocket 4. A new, more efficient processor could deliver longer battery life even during 4K capture, or we may see a slight increase in battery size. Fast charging is also likely to stick around, potentially even faster than the current 80% in 16 minutes spec. Storage options will likely stay the same, supporting micro SD cards up to 1 TB, but with the potential for faster card compatibility and more refined internal file management systems for easier project workflows. The Pocket 4 may also usher in new magnetic lens attachments such as ND filters, macro lenses, and wide-angle adapters, making it easier to adapt your camera for different creative needs without bulky gear. If DJI executes on even half of these rumored features, the Pocket 4 will dominate the portable camera space. It's not just a camera, it's a filmmaking tool for creators who want top-tier performance without the baggage of a traditional setup. Whether you're shooting cinematic B-roll, run-and-gun vlogs, or studio-quality interviews, this compact beast could become your go-to gear. In summary, the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be more than just a minor upgrade. It's potentially a full-scale evolution of what creators can expect from a pocket-sized camera. With improvements like 10-bit color, 4K, 120 FPS, PDAF autofocus, next-gen stabilization, improved audio, longer battery life, and weather resistance, DJI looks ready to redefine mobile video production once again. While we'll have to wait for the official announcement to confirm all the details, one thing's clear: the Pocket 4 is on track to be a must-have for modern content creators.